You've poured your heart and soul into your new product, the design is sleek, the features are cutting edge, and you just know it's going to be a hit. But then reality sets in. Production costs, skyrocket delays, plague your timeline, and the final product doesn't quite match your vision. Sound familiar? This, my friends, is a tale as old as time, or at least as old as mass production. The truth is, designing a great product is only half the battle. The other half, making sure it can actually be manufactured efficiently and affordably. This is where things get tricky. Designers often focus on aesthetics and functionality, without fully grasping the intricacies of the manufacturing process. This disconnect can lead to costly mistakes, production delays, and a whole lot of frustration. But fear not, there's a solution, and it comes in the form of a manufacturing consultant. These skilled professionals bridge the gap between design and production, ensuring your product goes from concept to reality without a hitch. Think of a manufacturing consultant as your product's guardian angel, guiding it safely through the treacherous terrain of production. They speak the language of both designers and manufacturers, acting as translators and troubleshooters. Their expertise can be the difference between a smooth launch and a logistical nightmare. But what exactly do these manufacturing wizards do? Their role is multifaceted and crucial at every stage of the product development process. From material selection to factory layout, they bring a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table. They'll analyze your design, identify potential problems, and suggest cost-effective solutions. Early involvement is key. The sooner a manufacturing consultant is brought on board, the better. Why? Because they can help you avoid costly mistakes and design a product that's optimized for manufacturability from the get-go. So let's delve deeper into the world of the manufacturing consultant. What are their key responsibilities and how do they contribute to your product's success? Firstly, they act as design advisors. They'll scrutinize your designs with a keen eye for manufacturability, identifying potential issues related to materials, tolerances, assembly processes, and more. They'll suggest design modifications to optimize for cost-effective production without compromising on quality or aesthetics. Secondly, they're masters of process optimization. They understand the nuances of different manufacturing techniques and can recommend the most efficient and cost-effective methods for your specific product. They'll analyze your production line, identify bottlenecks, and streamline processes to improve efficiency and reduce waste. Thirdly, they're sourcing specialists. They have a vast network of suppliers and manufacturers at their fingertips and can help you source the best quality materials and components at the most competitive prices. They'll negotiate contracts, manage logistics, and ensure a smooth and timely supply chain. Early consultation, saving time, money, and headaches. Remember those production nightmares we talked about earlier? Well, early consultation with a manufacturing expert is your best insurance policy against them. By bringing in a consultant during the design phase, you're essentially nipping problems in the bud before they even arise. Let's talk numbers. Studies have shown that incorporating manufacturability considerations early in the design process can reduce production costs by up to 30% and shorten lead times by as much as 50%. That's a significant chunk of change and a whole lot of time saved. But it's not just about saving money and time. Early consultation also leads to higher quality products, reduced risk of defects and recalls, and a smoother, less stressful production process overall. BP Nel Consulting shows the way. Don't just take my word for it. Let's look at a real-world example of how a manufacturing consultant can make all the difference. BP Nel Consulting, a leading firm in the industry, has a proven track record of helping businesses bring their products to market efficiently and cost-effectively. One of their clients, a medical device manufacturer, was struggling with high production costs and long lead times. BP Nel Consulting stepped in, analyzed their design and manufacturing processes, and recommended a series of changes including material substitutions, design modifications, and process improvements. The results were remarkable. Production costs were reduced by 20%, lead times were cut in half, and the quality of the final product was significantly improved. This is just one of many success stories. BP Nel Consulting have consistently demonstrated the value of expert manufacturing guidance in today's competitive market. Now let's talk about the potential consequences of not consulting with a manufacturing expert. What happens when you try to navigate the complex world of production without a guide? The short answer is, it can get ugly. Design flaws that go undetected during the design phase can resurface during production, leading to costly rework, production delays, and even product recalls. Even minor design flaws can eat into your profit margins, increase your scrap rate, and lead to customer dissatisfaction. In today's hyper-competitive market, you simply can't afford to make these mistakes. Invest in expertise. Secure your success. The takeaway is clear: don't underestimate the importance of manufacturing expertise. Investing in a manufacturing consultant is not an expense. It's an investment in your product's success. It's about mitigating risk, optimizing efficiency, and ensuring your product is manufactured to the highest standards. So whether you're developing a new product or looking to improve your existing manufacturing processes, reach out to BP Nel Consulting today. They'll work with you every step of the way, providing invaluable guidance and support to help you navigate the complexities of production and bring your vision to life.